tatanggalin nila,
Opo.
tapos ibabalik.
Hindi, ito nga po. Kaya pinapatanggal ko po
Ito
ngayon.
hindi ko masagot dahil lagong pa sa akin, wala yung may-ari.
Ayun lang.
Hindi ko masagot.
Because you weren't in the area at the time of apprehension. If you're a duly licensed owner of a driver's license, you would know if you're allowed to park or not. Oh, pero may angkla na po kasi yan. Kasi you have to check yung video niyan. Pag lumagpas ng 5 minuto, towed na po talaga yan. Hindi na to excess. Overloading ka na. Gawan nyo na ng paraan para may isampa. Wala naman ata laman to. May laman ba to?
Nakasabit na nga sa sidecar eh. Tinali na lang namin.
Wala.
Gabriel,
Opo.
pwede ba yan? Nirereklamo ko na sa barangay, tatanggalin nila,
Opo.
tapos ibabalik.
Hindi, ito nga po. Kaya pinapatanggal ko po
Ito
ngayon.
hindi ko masagot dahil lagong pa sa akin, wala yung may-ari.
Ayun lang.
Hindi ko masagot.
Sampa nyo na. Yung mga pwedeng isampa.
Picture. Nireklamo ko na sa barangay. Dahil na sa ibabalik.
Thank you.
Pa kanila yung
Sampa nyo na lahat. Gawan nyo na ng paraan yan.
madali na yan. Solusyon ko yan eh.
Sino mo sir?
Saka na tayo mamumblema. Baka sabihin, barangay, di natin kinukuha. Saka ka na mamumblema. You can get it sa Tumana, Marikina.
Where exactly the address? Because I'm not quite familiar.
Barangay Tumana, Marikina, MMDA impounding area. We only have one impounding area in Tumana.
Okay. Is there anyone I can contact?
Wala. You just need the paper, the towing impounding form. You can present it to the representative. They'll process the papers. You have to pay the penalty. Then you'll be issued a ticket based on your license that you have to pay under MMDA, which will cost you 2,000 pesos for unattended illegal parking.
So how is it? How can I get the paper for this?
It's there with the towing crew.
No one is. No.
Hindi
No
naman,
one wanted to talk to me regarding that. They just wanted me to go through with you. They're not even attending any of my concern.
because you weren't in the area at the time of apprehension. Yeah, you can get the card naman anytime.
Naman. So how much it will cost me?
From Malabon all the way to Tumana, Marikina, probably around 6,000.
And what we can do it here, so I can just pay it.
That's
so
illegal eh.
That the process would not be taken like
That's
another
That's
amount.
illegal. We do not have any official receipt here with us. So you have to pay
So how we
in
can-
Tumana, Marikina talaga.
We can do it, sir, because I have naman my
If
valid reasons.
if you settle the payment here without any official receipt,
I'm not gonna settle the payment here. I'm just saying like if we can just like in my case, I'm working from home and I cannot attend right away the calls and all because I'm in the middle of the meeting. As much as I wanted to go down,
hindi,
parang
it's your
i-neglect my duty and
it's your it's your call if you sir. Yeah, magandang umaga. It's your call. It's your call when do you want to get your vehicle. Pero you cannot do the processing of payment here.
So how long it will take? Like you said, it's gonna be at 6,000. So is
That's
there
just an
any penalty?
estimate. That's an estimate. That's an estimate only. But there's a storage fee. So I would suggest, since you're working from home, you'll be finished probably
I haven't scheduled after for my daughter's. That's why I
24 hours naman. You can get it anytime. You can get it tomorrow, on Sunday. It's open naman. You just have to present the towing impounding form.
They just handed over me like
Yeah,
2
because
minutes ago.
because you're not there at the time of apprehension. That's why.
like a few seconds.
No, that's not few seconds. I'm pretty sure we have a video. The video will say that you weren't there for the past 5 minutes. That's why your vehicle was towed.
Unfortunately, the owner of the house is not available by that time. They just someone's rely a message from them. So I don't have like the benefit to have it like a few seconds or 3 minutes, 5 minutes to come
Well, if you're a duly licensed owner of a driver's license, you will know if you're allowed to park or not. Diba?
I just asked them just like last night, so it's not that it's
Oh, so you're new here?
Yes, 3 months.
3 months. So, unfortunately, there's no street parking is not allowed here.
All right. I hope they're not gonna post this
That's beyond my control. But rest assured naman, since there's data
but
privacy, it will be
I'm
blurred.
an individual, so
Oo.
if you could just tell them to remove my...
That's not my call. They're not under MMDA.
Oh, well, I can go and sue them if they post my picture.
You can. But just a piece of advice. Data privacy does not include public places. As long as your face is blurred and you're not directly
As long
being
as I'm blurred.
Yeah, it's blurred. It's blurred. Oo.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
What's your name again, sir?
Gabriel Go. Thank you.
Sir, baka pwede nga sir, natigil po.
Opo.
Lumabas naman po agad. Baka pwede dito ka na po yung file. Kasi may dadalhin po kami mamaya sa
Alin po ba sa inyo?
PW, nandun po.
Pero na-tow na po ba?
Opo, natin.
Yun nga pag na-tow na, wala na po yan. Hindi na po natin maibababa.
Lang po namin yung ano po. Hindi po na to sir, nasa baba lang po.
Pero may angkla na po kasi yan. Kasi you have to check yung video niyan. Pag lumagpas ng 5 minuto, towed na po talaga yan.
Nga po, baka pwede dito na sir. Parang yun dali.
Bawal po yun eh.
Bayaran yung ano.
Illegal po yun. Wala kasing resibo dito eh. Ha? Alin yung Ranger ba?
Hindi po sir, yung Revo lang eh. Sira pa nga po yan eh.
Wala na kasi. Bawal kasi magbayaran dito dahil illegal po yun eh. Walang resibo. Pero pwede ka sumama doon.
Wala eh. Hindi naman yung kukunin namin eh.
May tow truck pa ba tayong Bitbit?
Ayaw ko lang kung makakargahan kayong isang ano.
Ito ata walang driver.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Andiyan pa ba yung isang tow truck? Baka pwede magsampa pa ng pwede magsampa ng motor? Meron ba dyan? Kuya, kahit pinto mo. Iyan nyo nga sa LTO to. Na isang LTO dito. Ano to eh? Hindi na excess passenger. Overloading, howling motor. Kuya. Alam mo bakit? Hindi na to excess. Overloading ka na.
Yun nga po, wala kasi. No choice din po kasi sir eh.
LTO please. 76 ng LTO. Ano to? Howling. Beles! Saluhin mo! Yung bata, walang helmet. Yan! Walang helmet. Beles yung sa'yo, na-verify na, hindi pa.
Tinikita ko na yun, kaya sir ka.
Okay.
Bitawan na yung walang ticket.
Wala, di ba? Sabi mo sa akin may lisensya ka.
Meron pa naman.
Meron.
Yung ano lang sir, kahit sa portal nandito.
Yung oo. Gumagana na ba yung QR natin?
Lang naman po siya sir eh.